Okay, first of all, good morning to everyone. We're going to continue using your books. Last class, we read a text about a girl going on holiday in Scotland, and today we're going to work with present continuous for future meaning. Yes? So look at exercise 1 here. Yes? And it says, read the examples. They are going to Scotland on Tuesday. We are going for a long walk. Now go back to your text, and it is right there, and see if you can find more examples of present continuous with future meaning. I'll pause the recording now so you have some time to find examples. So then, I assume you have found some examples, and we're going to work on the present continuous for future meaning. This is el mismo presente continuo que usábamos para decir estoy haciendo esto, en este momento estoy haciendo tal cosa, I am recording a class, lo vamos a usar para hablar del futuro. Entonces decía que vamos a usar el presente continuo, present continuous, to talk about the future. And these are the examples we found in the text. They are going camping for a week. On Tuesday, we are going on a long walk. They are taking raincoats, Wellington boots, oops, mistake, Wellington, sin ese, boots, and umbrellas. On Thursday, we are going horse riding. And the last one, I am taking my swimsuit. So, the idea is that we use the subject, in this case we, then the verb to be we are or we're. Yes, you could hyphenate it. No, sorry, not hyphenated. Use an apostrophe, and then the verb taking the ing form, going on a long walk.